This is Pat from NortheastWalesEvents.com, the 2021 Cumberland Valley Custom Car Show in Carlisle. We are doing a 1-minute car show with this 1948 Crosley station wagon. This is the cast iron 4-cylinder. That's overhead cam. Yes, overhead cam in 1948. Crosley is a brilliant designer. The children with this car, the small cars pre-war, so they could fit in box cars. Check it out. You thought small American cars were new? No. How many horsepower is that? 26.5 horsepower. How many cubic inch? Oh, I'll look it up and post it.
I don't know, man.
Check it out. Very, very simply done. These were actually sold through the appliance dealers, Crosley appliance dealers. This was great, absolutely great.
All original.
All original. What a treat. What a treat. Absolute treat. Now, the sheet metal engine, the Cobra engine, was what originally powered this car. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWalesEvents.com at the 2021 Cumberland Valley Custom Car Show. Check out this 1948 Crosley Wagon. For more cool events like this and for your 1-minute car shows, click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.